Storeroom. Tractor shed has been accumulating wood. The idea was that I was going to use it for projects. I'm not going to be making any more wooden projects, so I don't need wood. So I'm getting rid of all of it. All the iron that's in the tractor shed, I'm going to sell it as scrap iron because the tractor shed is going away. It gets disassembled and either sold or given away. All depends on what I want to do that day. It's a change in the direction of the old Sneelock's workshop. We're going to close down a lot of the stuff that I was doing. We're going to get rid of a lot of the projects that I had coming. And we're doing a 5-year progressive shutdown. In the end of 5 years, there will be no longer an old Sneelock's workshop making projects. There still will be an old Sneelock's workshop, but it'll just be videos of things like this. Because we're getting too old to do this, I'm told. So we have to change our ways of doing things because we just can't keep it up. Now, I never saw it as being anything like that. But what do I know?